Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Trading. And today we're going to talk about Nvda, AMD, SMH, and SPX. Let's start with Nvda real quick. So, as you can see, we broke through and the downtrend continued. So that was a nice rejection. Looks like the downtrend is almost over, at least on the level we're currently at right now. And our next big support is about 8% down. So it is very possible that this week Nvda are gonna continue to drop another 8%. Oh my god. Oh, that's gonna be very painful if it does. Even though I'm not trading Nvda directly, I am trading SMH. So if Nvda drop another 8%, I am gonna feel it. But hey, all I can say is more buying opportunity. That's all it is for me. Now let's readjust the blue and yellow line to lower level because it broke through. So yeah, this area is probably gonna be a very strong support area. We'll see. If you're trading Nvda, I wish you the best. And now we're gonna move on to AMD. Alright, the measurement I'm gonna take for AMD gonna be slightly different from what we normally do because AMD got beat down so badly that I'm gonna have to take a measurement from when it was the lowest it ever been to the highest it ever been. So yeah, we're gonna do macro until micro and see where we're at. Well, looks like AMD has two major gap of uncertainty that makes measuring a little bit harder. But as you can see, we are hitting the level 2 of the trend line that we've been trading since the lowest it ever been to the highest it ever been. So that is such a major support that you can see it's reacting to it quite nicely. If you're an AMD believer, that might be a big buying opportunity. But then again, if AMD decide to crash even further, we might move on to a level 1, and that would suck because a level 1 would require us to move down another 40% or so. And that would be like worst case scenario. And I don't know AMD that well. I can't say if they're a bad or a great company. I just know they're quote unquote the competitor of Nvda. And to me, having a stock like that beat down so much, it's worth keeping an eye on. And so if you're an AMD trader, I wish you the best, because right now it looks like the best buying opportunity one can get, to me, in my opinion. And now we can move on to my favorite stock, SMH. So as you can see, we are still at the bottom of the downtrend and the yellow line is holding on quite nicely so far. Hopefully it keeps on holding on and start bouncing off of it, because we've been trading sideways for the past pretty much 240 days or so. So right now I say there's a lot of time value added to SMH, but then again, the market will do what the market does. And also we down only 20%, so which is significant but not a whole lot either. I think because of the time value, it should start bouncing back up. Alright, last but not least, we can talk about SPX. Alright, we broke through a lot of support line and we are pretty much in our last leg. If we break this, our next region is about 4.2% down, so we'll see what the market does. But this seems to be like a really good support region because this blue line, it represents an average uptrend for the past 869 days or so at a level 5. So we might have a little bounce on it, but might not go all the way to all-time high though. So yeah, I think we're gonna have a nice little recovery bounce. But who knows, the market will do what the market does. Anyways, this is gonna be a fun week. Best of luck. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.